Hi everyone! So we are here at the Volcano Island of the Aeolian Islands, which belongs to Sicily. So thousands of people come by every single year to experience one of life's and nature's most incredible phenomenons, taking a mud bath in an active volcano. Mud baths of Laghetto di Funghi is nothing short of a miracle, where nature and human intervention unite. The elevated acidity, which by the way is known to be incredible for your skin, and the high concentration of sulphur in the mud baths, doesn't allow for bacteria to grow. So the water temperature is about 35 degrees in most parts. There are certain parts of the mud bath that are extremely hot, and you can see the boiling of the water in certain patches. Now to the side of the bath, the volcanic rocks are extremely hot as well and cannot be walked on, as I have tried and failed. It even burnt a small area on the sole of my flip-flops. While there is a strong smell of sulphur, it actually adds to the atmosphere and definitely wakes up your senses. The mud baths are extremely therapeutic. They're rich in minerals. They relieve joint and muscle pains and inflammation. It protects against toxic effects of pollution and radiation, brings about a relaxation, and, well, puts a little fun into your adventures. What a great way to enjoy nature's hidden treasures. That was such an incredible experience. It left my skin feeling smooth and soft, and I even worked up a little bit of hunger. Definitely not from the smell though. Until next time!